Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Abn amro identifier in English. First, make sure you have your debit card and your identifier device ready. If your device is currently showing Dutch, you can change the language to English. Insert your debit card into the identifier. The screen will turn on and show a numbered menu. Press OK to continue, then find the language option. If you see 7, choose Dutch, select it to switch the language. Follow the prompts until English is selected. On newer devices, English may already appear automatically when you start logging in on your computer. Now, to begin using the device, press the OK button again to wake it up. The screen will ask you to enter your PIN. Carefully type your bank card PIN using the number keys, then press OK. After entering your PIN, you will see different options on the screen. Press 1 if you want to log into your internet banking account. Press 2 if you need to send a payment or confirm a transaction. Press 3 if you want to check or verify details, such as settings. Press 4 if you need to change your transaction limits. Follow the instructions shown on your computer screen together with the code generated by the e.Identifier to complete your action. Thanks for watching.